In today's video, I will walk you through how to turn on dark mode in Microsoft Edge. Want to get most out of this tutorial? Sign up using the link in the description below, and let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once the browser is open, look at the top right corner and click the three dots to open the Settings and More menu. From the menu, select Settings. This will open the Edge settings page in a new tab.
Next, look at the sidebar on the left and click Appearance. This section contains the settings you need to customize how Microsoft Edge looks. In the main panel, find the Overall Appearance section. Here, you'll see options for different themes. Select Dark to turn on dark mode. The change will take effect immediately. You'll notice that the Edge interface, including the browser frame, tabs, menus, and settings, switches to a darker color scheme. Keep in mind that this setting changes the appearance of Microsoft Edge itself. It doesn't necessarily force every website you visit to use dark mode. Some websites have their own built-in dark mode settings that you'll need to enable separately. If you ever want to switch back, simply return to Settings, select Appearance, and choose Light. You can also select System Default if you want Edge to follow your computer's theme. That's it. You've now learned how to turn on dark mode in Microsoft Edge. Click the link on the description below. Thank you for watching the video.